Hey guys, today we are drawing friend profile of Gojo because one of my subscriber had asked me to. If anyone have any request like this, let me know in the comments. I would also love to share some things which helped me to improve my art. The first step is to be consistent. You have to draw every day, even if it is only for 10 minutes or 15 minutes. The thing is, you have to be consistent to get better at drawing. And when you're drawing, don't be scared to do mistakes. Just correct your mistakes and keep drawing. Without making mistakes, you'll never get better at drawing. And you don't need any expensive materials to get better at art. All you need is just a pencil and eraser to improve your art. As you can see, I'm just using a 5 rupees Apsara pencil for drawing. And another main tip is to stop using grid method. I'm not saying it's bad. It just won't let you improve your art and go to the next level. So instead of using grid method, start learning freehand method and learn Loomis method and also anatomy. It will surely help you improve your art. I guess that's all the main points that you have to keep in your mind. So if you think that this tutorial was helpful for you, don't hesitate to give a like and subscribe. It means a lot to me, and if you have any more questions, let me know in the comments.
Jojo とか感情が描いていくバカ従順に従った欠陥突発視線確かにない愛に上気声も出せないまま悪質な時間の中に100個悪質なくなるまでのでも俺が空上現実つけてないで命を投げ出せないでうちの脆さに浸ってどんな顔すればいいかわかんないよ今はただ答えたくれよ五条は解いた五条は解いた確かな声を紡ぐアイディア交際して回る感情線その先に今立ち上がる手をただ追いかってただ追いかって誰よりも強くなりたいと願う君の本当にそれ今はただこのぐらい夜の底に深く深く落ち込んで不格好に見えたかいこれが今の僕なんだ何者にもなれないだけの屍だ笑いよ目の前の捨ててから逃げることさやめたイメージを繰り返し想像の先を行けと闇を洗って闇を洗って夜の帳が売りなら合図だ滞在して回る感情線され事などは吐き捨て言い方まだ止めないでまだ止めないで誰よりも悟ってる唇まで仕事しょった日の今はただ呪い呪われた僕の未来を想像して走って転んだ消えない痛み抱いては世界が待ってるこの一瞬を
They tell me that I'm never gonna make it. They want me to do something that could make sense. They hate when I keep dreaming I'll be famous, but I don't give a fuck, I'ma keep chasing. I got all this potential that's deep inside of me, but they hate when you're successful cause they try to be. They sit there being judgmental because you're trying things, and they just want you to settle and do the right thing. So get a good job, don't slack off. Wake up every morning, make a good impression on your boss. Don't do anything that I wouldn't do, and when you're making money, make sure you don't spend it too soon. Fuck that, I'll do what I wanna do. I got a different path from everyone and that includes you. Who are you to tell me how to live life? In these times it feels like nobody is right, yeah. So I'ma figure out what else we succeed, and then invest all of my time into that and proceed. I need whatever the hell could make me happy, and I don't think you have a clue what could.
Thank you for watching till the end, and I hope that this tutorial would be helpful for you. If you want to see more anime tutorials like this, check out my channel, there are plenty of them. So see you on my next video.